Mother.
Deda.
Father.
Mama.
Brother.
Dzma.
Sister.
Da.
Grandfather.
Babua.
Grandmother.
Bebia.
Uncle.
Pizza.
Aunt.
Deida.
Husband.
Meogle, kmari.
Wife.
Meogle, tsoli.
Son.
Shvili, važi.
Daughter.
Shvili, kalishvili.
Parents.
Shoblebi.
Sons.
Važebi.
Daughters.
Kalishvilebi.
Children.
Bavšvebi.